Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are doing well and have a nice day. So today Sudarshan is going to speak about on AI, that is artificial intelligence. So before starting to discuss about the artificial intelligence, I want to tell you about some current affairs news. So the USA is going to invest dollar 17.5 billion dollar in India. So basically, these investments come from the Microsoft. So Microsoft generally wants to invest in AI. So you can say they want to invest in artificial intelligence in India. So they are the FDI investors. So you can say that foreign direct investment. So due to this, our GDP will be boosted up, and you can also say that in the future maximum employment will generate. So now I want to discuss about the artificial intelligence. So a short form is that is AI. So what is AI? So AI generally is the branch of computer science, and it makes patterns and thinks and makes designs. So it generally it generally make decisions like humans. So humans create AI. So humans develop the data into the machine, and after that it makes patterns and predictions. Prediction whatever data you will feed. So generally AI is the generally AI are of three types, that is narrow AI, after that generative AI, and you can say last one is super AI. So now let us discuss one by one. So first of all, what is narrow AI? So narrow AI, you can say it is also known as weak AI, that is simple AI. You see the sensors in AC, or you see the sensor in washing machine, that is known as narrow AI. So your Google Alexa, or you can say Google Map, so Siri, Alexa, these all are known as narrow AI. Now in present scenario, generative AI is going on. So that is, you can say Chat GPT, DALL-E, or Gemini 3, Perplexity. These all are generative AI. So generative AI is generally the advanced AI features than simple AI. So in the future, scientists are saying that